What a crazy week we had. The energy stock went down. However, the market maker bought the bottom for them. We're going to discuss where the reversal for those stocks and where the price action for the other stocks that been squeezing over the 100% and 200%. First stock on our list is SPRO. Last week on Thursday, we talked about it in pre-market update. You see it here, it was 78% pre-market. The volume was even in pre-market 7 million. And what we suggest to take a profit when the market opened around the $2.33. You see it here clearly. We opened around the $1.47 and we went until the $2.33. If we go back, you see this huge wick. I don't want this price action. This is formal price action. That's why I suggest to take a profit here and exit. You see the next day we went there again, retest the $2.38 and the price closed below our AMA, this blue line. So what's the game plan? You see this volume profile down below? Huge like volatility happened around the 22nd of September, then the price went down. Now we have a support above the $1.87. We need to hold it. Yes, I know it's a huge gap to fill for this stock until the $1. If we open the pre-market, we are still gravitating above the $1.87 and the market open is still holding the $1.87 support. Is mean we accumulate, then the next time we break the $2.38. This is mean game on for us to go again to test around the $3.20, then around the $4.80. This would be a huge bump again for this stock. So that's why I'm putting on my watch list. Will be again almost 90% for this stock. Next up we have avct. Before we go on avct, for newcomer and new trader who ask me a lot about my brokerage account that I'm actually trading stocks on, is Momo, because you have an opportunity to get 15 free stock value up to $2,000 each. If you open an account, you get one stock. If you deposit $100, you get 5 stocks. If you deposit $2,000, of course, you get 15 stocks. What are you waiting for? Get your free stocks with my exclusive link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here. Will take you directly to open your account with Momo. Let me go back to the avct. Jumped from our bottom, the 0.16 cent. Here, this was the bottom. The price gravitated up and hold above the 0.24. We already talked about as well in the pre-market around 2 days ago. We said if we held the 0.3336 cent, we're gonna have a volatility to test the 0.40 cent first. Profit taken, then the 0.49. Of course, we didn't go to the 49. The short seller came heavily around the 0.40 cent. That's why we took our profit around the 0.40 before the short seller came in heavily for avct. Look what's going on. Let me just go in 1 hour chart. You see this candle, the market open, held perfectly above our support, and this was our green light to enter for avct to take our profit here. You see, the first hour we just hold and then test our profit taking just in 1 hour, get in, get out, and the price struggling the next day around this resistance and didn't hold. Boom, the price went down. So what we suggest now, we need to hold the gap that been tested last Friday around the 0.3199 exactly. If we held this gap for avct, we're gonna get a huge bump again for avct to break the 0.41 and go to 0.70 cent. Otherwise, we're gonna fill the gap down around this box. This is the major box for avct around the 0.26 cent and the 0.24 cent. So watch out. If we don't hold above the 0.3190 cent by tomorrow, it's mean the price will continue to go down during the week. And here we're gonna have a reversal for avct. Next up, we have a huge buying pressure for TEL. If you remember, we already talked about in our live streaming, and we said the market maker just bought this stock. After just 5 minutes, just imagine, just 5 minutes from the heavy sell pressure for this stock. Of course, not just TEL, but many energy stock got shorted last Friday, and this one went crazy down, almost 40%. And guess what? The market opened, and we have just 5-minute candle forming, and the next 5-minute candle, boom, it bumped almost 40%. So this is by far the biggest discount for this stocks, and the market maker know that, you know, the price value when it hit for any stock, you know what you see? This huge reversal, just 5 minutes, and price never stay at the same place. This is one indication for strength or like the market maker actually buying the stock, and you see it clearly for just from the wick. Now where the price should hold for the next week for potential entry, for my opinion, the $2.30 is our support now. If we held it, is mean this will be our bottom, and the market maker will make the price gravitate and consolidate, then test this profit taken around the $2.70, then the $3.38. So we need to make our $2.30 support is our bottom, otherwise the price will continue to go down to revisit the bottom area around the $1.63, not in just 1 day or 2 days, but the coming weeks. So I don't want this behavior. I want a sign of strength, which is holding above the $2.30. Next up, we have aprn. The same reaction, have a huge buying pressure after the dip that we got on Friday. We have a gap around the 8%. We went down when the market opened. However, we end up in the green and 3% up. However, I'm not suggesting to buy aprn now because it's still not clear yet. You see this AMA? Yes, hovering exactly around our resistance, the $4.93. This is strong resistance. So there's a potential. Next week, we're going to have a jump again. But this scenario, if it happens, is mean the short seller is still there. And the price will go to the $3.56 if we got rejected around the $4.93 resistance. So I'll be watching. Either buy over this resistance or buy here on discounted price the $3.50. Now the support that we bounce from is above the $4 psychological level for aprn. Let me just go very quick for bbby because it held our support, as we said, around this box above the $6.50 and the $6, and we got a bit of reversal. So what we should expect for bbby, we have a resistance around this ascending line. So here this scenario should happen for the next week. Holding above this box, then a breakout from this ascending line will be a good indication for a breakout and squeeze until the 1470. The squeeze area is still around the 1470 for bbby. Yeah, it's a bit far. That's why I suggest to take a profit around the $11.40 if we still holding above the $6. So the $6 should be the bottom for bbby in order to see this reaction. So let's get ready for Monday market because it will be crazy volatile. As usual, we're gonna do update for Monday and the coming days. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future updates, and let's get ready to hunt. Either the market red or green, there's a potential and opportunity to make money. So see you in the next video.